Greetings. I am a representative of the AntiSinite movement. These videos are not edited. They are AI assisted and read from script. Today's subject is being an anti-Semite. We understand that every person, whether mother or father, politician or preacher, we all would be better off were we to be practicing anti-Semites. A person can be whatever they want to be. However, a person, of course, cannot be a sinner and an anti-Semite at the same time. A person can be a Christian, Jew, Muslim, police officer, or college student and still be an anti-Semite. The only characteristic a person cannot have and be an anti-Semite is the characteristics of a sinner. An anti-Semite is someone who actively chooses to live a life free from sin, embodying values and behaviors that reflect righteous and moral integrity. This concept emphasizes that anyone, regardless of their background, profession, or religious affiliation, can aspire to be an anti-Semite as long as we commit to living a sin-free life. Of course, a criminal, prostitute, con man, robber, rapist, pedophile, or homosexual cannot be an anti-Semite. Their behavior disqualifies them by way of God's commandments. This does not mean the person is unable to repent, atone, and reconcile the behavior and become free of violating God's divine law and become anti-Semite. As anti-Semites, we do not condemn others who have veered from the path of sinlessness. However, we do not condone or associate with devout sinners, such as persons who continually use substances which defile God's fleshly temple, which is to be kept clean as God's dwelling place, free of sin. Here's a breakdown of some key points. Universal applicability. Being an anti-Semite is not restricted by one's identity, profession, class, creed, color, or religious belief. Whether someone is a professed Christian, Jew, Muslim, politician, police officer, student, or any other role, we can as well strive to be an anti-Semite, living sin-free of sinful conduct, removing sinful conduct. There's exclusivity of sin-free living. The defining characteristic of an anti-Semite is our commitment to a sin-free life. This means avoiding actions and behaviors that are considered sinful according to God's moral commandments and lawful beliefs and behaviors. It's incompatible with sin. God's commandments are incompatible with sin. A person cannot simultaneously live a life characterized by sinful actions and behavior, yet claim to be an anti-Semite. The essence of being an anti-Semite is the deliberate and conscious effort to reject sin in all its forms. Just as Christians, Muslims, Jews, Hebrews, Buddhists and other so-called righteous religions teach their followers to live free from sinful behaviors. It's a personal choice and responsibility. Each of us, as individuals, have the choice to choose our path. The decision to become an anti-Sinite is a personal one, involving a commitment to uphold moral values and righteousness in our own personal daily lives. In summary, the concept of an anti-Sinite transcends specific identities and focus solely on the ethical and moral choice to reject sin. Anyone willing to make this commitment can be an anti-Sinite, provided we genuinely strive to live a life free from sin. Peace.